Hello everybody, I hope you followed my advice from yesterday and not going long on Bitcoin. So the fear and greed index for the moment is still at 79 because the next update is in 5 hours. So as you can see, extreme greed, so this will change of course after the move from today. So let's discuss first of all the crypto market, since this is the most interesting one for the moment. So Bitcoin liquidations, this is this is amazing. So this each candle is 12 hours, so we go back until the 24th of July. So yeah, the longs that got liquidated now, and it's quite impressive. Then what else do we have? So let's have a look at the charts. So as I mentioned yesterday, we are at the top of the golden zone. We got a strong rejection in the second half of the day. So I mentioned this developing VWAP, which we should look at. So it looks like indeed we did find support in this region. If you draw a Fibonacci retracement from this low to the high, then you end up also in the zone where it did find support. Of course, this is drawn afterwards. There was no way I could have guessed that it would find support at the golden zone from exactly this low. I'll remove it. This is just a bit hindsight thinking. Although everything got nicely bought up, I still keep the possibility open that we go lower. Although on the other hand, we have the high over here and we found support just a bit above. So you can say, okay, here was resistance, and now we retest it as support and we go further up. It is very well possible. We're gonna have to see what happens in the coming days. So this volume profile, I'll remove it because this point of control didn't play out. Yeah, I think that's about it for Bitcoin. Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum retesting the lows over here. This was support, now retesting as support and back up. So we can also draw a daily support over here, like that. So this also for the moment looks nice. Also retesting a level of support. XRP here, I don't immediately see. Oh yeah, the retest of this resistance, and now becoming support. So it seems today was really a technical day. This was not panic selling, let's say. It really looks very technical. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, it looks like whales just had on those technical levels all their buying orders. This is not retail who puts their buying orders, or they should be very clever and know what they do. Regarding the news, I did read that some whales are dumping because El Salvador now has officially Bitcoin as a currency, whatever the news is, I don't know. Let's have a look. Bitcoin dominance. So this one is coming up since altcoins did sell off more. So let's take it on the daily. So as I mentioned yesterday, support again at this monthly level. And now we're coming back up. Then let's have a look at the algo trading. So Tezos, we were already in a short since here, the 31st of August, and now down for the moment a bit more than 21%. So we are in profit for the moment. Dogecoin, we got now the sell signal, almost 18.5% down. So let's have a look. We got a buy signal over here, so we're slightly in a loss. Then Bitcoin, also here we get the sell signal at the end of the day. So it's very well possible that this will be, of course we close with a profit, but it might be very well that we close out in a loss on the next move. So it's very well possible that we move up, and this whole move up we will lose. But yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and it's better to win bigger and lose smaller. So Ethereum just above the trigger line for the moment, which is very nice. I'll quickly check what the average amount of time is that we are supposed to be in a trade. 50 days. And I think we're not there yet. Got the buy signal here until today. 46 days. So no, I'm not going to put any buy orders here. Just because on average, there's still on average we stay in a trade 50 days. So now it's 46. So of course, you can stay much longer or much shorter in a trade. It's of course an average, but given the statistics, I wouldn't really trust it. Bitcoin Cash down almost 16%. We got a buy signal here, so this one we will close out with a loss, and then XRP down 21%, and we got a buy signal over here, so we're also below it. So let's have a look at the trading account. So now in total the value is 5,300, so we're only 360 in profit. So let's have a look. XRP, so we will close $148 in loss. Bitcoin, we will close with $309 in profit. Ethereum, 87 in profit. Doge, well, $1.8 in profit for the moment. Bitcoin Cash, $84 in loss. And Tezos for the moment, 174 in profit. Good. Let's have a look at the traditional market. So 52 for the Fear and Greed Index, so neutral. Then the chart. So S&P 500, 0.45 down. So it looks like we're getting a bit of of a topping pattern again. So we did wick here. What's the high? 45.45. So, you know, if you would draw a line from here, then you can see, so touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're coming down. So, yeah, maybe we will see another dump like we had a few weeks ago. Gold down 1.46. So who knows, maybe the dump of Bitcoin is also partially related to gold losing some value. Also here we did reach the golden zone, which is resistance. Let's mark this one red. So actually this zone, 1, 2, 3, this was the 4th time that we touched it. So the first time, weak sell-off. Second time, big sell-off. Second and third time, and then now the 4th time. So we're gonna see how far this one will go. Since we got such a strong sell-off here, if no black swan event happens, then I think we won't sell off that much anymore. There was some nice volume over here, and then it all got bought up. So yeah, for now looks like a normal healthy correction. Silver actually doing a bit better than gold, still selling off, but looks decent. Then what else do we have? Yeah, let's check the DXY. Oh yeah, okay. So that's why gold is selling off. So the dollar got stronger. So plus 0.32%. So indeed we did find support. Now it's confirmed on this green support line. So now we're gonna have to watch what the retests of this green. Let's mark this one red. So because now it becomes resistance. So let's see when we retest here whether we will sell off again, or we could come above again and have it as a support line. So that would be really bullish for the dollar. Euro, Hungarian forint. So looks like we're still ranging at the bottom here, which is also the support line for the triangle. Stock market versus gold. Are we seeing some pattern here? So it looks like we did bottom at this monthly support. Now coming up again, so that means we're better off in stocks compared to gold. Alibaba, very nice, 3.65% up. Yeah, Deutsche Bank, I think there's not much to say here. Okay, we gapped up, still below this previous support line. PayPal, the short, okay, still fine. XLF down a little bit. Oh, GDX down. Yeah, of course, because gold and silver are selling off. So the gains we made yesterday, we lost it again today, unfortunately. and the US Treasuries are going up. That's also nice. And crude oil coming down a bit, 0.7. So yeah, we did form a top here. All right. And then copper lost a little bit, 1.17%. All right, okay. So that's it for the traditional markets. Yeah, cryptos, I would say stay away for the moment. Let the market do its thing. See, Bitcoin is down now 11%. Let's see what it does in the coming days. Do we have the VWAP here? Let's see. Just to see what it will do in the short term. The VWAP. We have to configure this one. I don't want to see the upper band, neither the lower band. Don't have to be filled. And then let's make it white to make it more visible. So you can see we were around the VWAP at the beginning of the day, and then we lost the VWAP. So what you might expect now is that we come back to at least on this 1 hour chart, we would come back to the 48,178 region, and most probably this one will act as resistance and we will come further down. I think we will retest this wick over here. Let's check the 5 minutes. So we got one big sell-off, and then it looks like everything got bought up in the next 10 minutes. And they're quite long wicks, yeah, long candles. So this one is 6.5%. So yeah, we might retest those candles where we will have smaller candles, the one next to the other one. Just because this buying went way too fast, they will retest the bulls in this region. If they can't hold it up, then we go further down. So like I said, the next level I would look for is then the 0.618 retracement, which is at 38k. So I don't know, 38k, whether there's something else. So yeah, those are the lows from the beginning of August. So we would get a retest of those ones. And this is not the correct high. Now it's better. But it doesn't make much difference. Okay, 38,300. So let's mark the golden zone. So between 38.3 and 37.3. And let's mark this one green for support. I will remove this developing VWAP as well. So here you can nicely see that those wicks, they're all in the golden zone. So I would not exclude this yet, especially. Let's remove the VWAP. because we have seen it in the past as well. That can I find an example? Yeah, let's take here, for example, the 21st of June. You can also see big selling volume. And then you think, oh, okay, that's it. Everybody got liquidated. So this was how much? Minus 11%. But then the next day, they go even deeper. So this happens so often. You see a big selling volume and you think, okay, that's it. Everybody sold. But no, they come back and they retest it and they go even a bit lower. Also here, the 19th of May, also big sell-off. You come back nicely. The next day, fully bullish candle, and then we come back down again, almost to the low to retest it. Gets bought up. Then again, maybe 2 weeks later, we come down, retest again, this low. So yeah, I wouldn't say don't think yet that that it is over. Also here, 22nd and 23rd of February, 2 candles with big selling volume. What happens the next day? A bullish candle, and then the day after, bam, we come down to retest those lows, make a new low. And then 2 days later, even a lower low. So this is all possible. So yeah, just be careful. For me, I still keep the position. What my algo is telling me. These are the regions I would look at for more long-term investments. Then I would buy around here. This looks like a good zone. Also a good price, yeah, 38k. Why not? So that would mean, let's see, this would get people really bearish if we would get there. So that's again almost minus 30%. So people already had to see how 50% of their Bitcoin value got lost since the 64k high, and now they're happy that it went up again. So we doubled, we almost doubled in price, and now we would see again a 30% drop. So yeah, that would be some extra stuff for Peter Schiff to tweet about, to show how unreliable Bitcoin is. But if you look from it from a technical perspective, you would be fine with those ups and downs. All right, guys, this is already a long one. I'm gonna leave it here. See you on the next one. Bye bye.